How can I get pretty overnight? A good night's sleep is essential if you want to look and feel your best. In addition to making sure you get enough sleep, there are lots of other things you can do to maximize your beauty benefits. Your body regenerates itself while you sleep, and you can take advantage of its natural processes to get better looking skin, hair, and more. There are even some easy ways to style your hair while you sleep. Getting beautiful hair. Apply a store-bought hair mask. If you have dry or damaged hair, you can replenish it while you sleep by applying a hair mask. Most will require you to wash your hair the next morning, so make sure you have time to do so. Make your own conditioning treatment. If you don't want to splurge on an expensive hair mask, you can make your own at home. Homemade hair masks are even messier than store-bought ones, so be sure to wrap your hair securely and give yourself plenty of time to wash it the next morning. You can find a variety of recipes online. Create waves. To wake up in the morning with beautiful waves, try pinning your hair up in small buns or braids before you go to sleep. You can also try wrapping your hair around a headband. In the morning, let your hair down, apply a bit of styling product if necessary, and you'll be ready to go. Depending on your hair type, you may want to apply a light hairspray, curling product, or even tanning oil to help it hold the wave. Banish frizz. No matter what kind of hair you have, you can help keep it looking great between shampooing by tying it up in a silk scarf before bed. If you don't want to wear a scarf to bed, try sleeping on a silk pillowcase. It will create much less friction than a cotton pillowcase, which means less frizz.